Hi everyone, this is Lavinia and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to give you an update on my Aerogarden. If you recall from my last video, my tomato plants were flowering and I was using a Q-tip to help pollinate. Well, here we are about a month and a half later and I have quite a bit of fruit. And I'm going to say I probably counted about 40 plus tomatoes on here. So these have started to ripen and turn red, orange. These here are still green. And here also inside the planter itself, I have some more tomatoes that are growing. And here on the side, have some more. And here on this side, I have some more as well. My basil is doing great. Here's some basil, and this is the Italian basil. And I think today what I'm going to do is just make some pasta, put some butter or olive oil, and then add my basil, my spices, and a couple of these tomatoes. And let's see here. Just wanted to show you that this is actually hanging over. I had to adjust. I have some twist ties in here and I tried to adjust it to help keep it upright, but it is quite heavy. So once these tomatoes are done, I'm going to trim this back. I've also have it hoisted, I guess you could say, on this Thai basil plant just to help keep it up. And yeah, it's doing pretty good. Someone had asked me, maybe if they were going on vacation, how long it would, the water would last. And I have to say, I don't know if it's the tomatoes and maybe because they're have the fruit, but it seems like every other day I have to add water to the tank here. So I think once they are in bloom and producing fruit, that yeah, if you're going on vacation, the nutrients probably could last, it says every 14 days to add nutrients, but I'm sure if you go longer, that's okay. But the water, yeah, I think every other day I'm pretty much adding water here. But again, just wanted to show you this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to enter them in the comment section below. I don't know how long these tomato plants would last. I would like to add and grow some lettuce, but I don't want to take these out until I know that they're definitely done. I think this Thai basil is pretty much done. I haven't really had many leaves lately, but my basil is doing great. As I mentioned, it was making some flowering buds and I had pinched those off because I would like these to last as long as possible. So this basil, I don't mind if it lasts all year long. I just love basil. So, but again, would like to try the lettuce. Anyway, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to get further notifications of future videos and tutorials, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everyone, for watching. Take care. Bye.